Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to Foshan LANDPACK machinery. My name is Jennifer. Today I'm going to introduce to you this LD-320 machine model. One machine will have 2 or more thread measuring cups in the machine, so we need to change the measuring cups. Okay, let me teach you. You could see it's very tight knit, and you could run these handles to let the turntable to down. Okay, to take it out, you just need to turn this cup and then take it out. Okay, if you want to install the measuring cups in this turntable, you just this small one, you just need to put it in the hole. And then turn, and it will struck in the turntable. And then put this one in here. Okay, when you install the 4th set of the measuring cup in the turntable, you can run this handle to let it to up. More importantly, you could run this handle to change the measuring range. For example, you could pad 5 grams or 10 grams. Okay, it's more easy for you to operate it. Okay, I believe you also think this machine is very easy for you to operate it. So, if you have interest in this machine models, feel free to contact us by click the follow website. Bye.